So, as you probably can tell from my voice, I am sick, but I really wanted to record this and share with you a comment that I made to my friend Jason a few days ago as I was falling sick. A few days ago, I was on the couch and I was sick. I was low in energy. I had been low in energy for some days, and at this point, I definitely had a fever. I was just not feeling well. But I told him, I love getting sick. He said, I'm going to have to take you to the hospital. Something's wrong with you. And I'm sure you're thinking I'm a little nutty too. I don't usually enjoy getting sick, no. But in that moment, what I did really appreciate was the sense of surrender. The fever and just being weak. It pushed me to a point where I literally couldn't keep going. I just couldn't. I was sick, and I had to surrender and trust that everything's going to keep going, even though I have a long to-do list, my own agenda of what I think I need to do, should do, want to do, to keep the world going the way I want it to go. And what can I do? I just can't do it. So rather than surrendering in a sense of giving up on life, it was the contrary. It was surrendering to this beautiful force of life, Creator, God, uh, Source, whatever you may call it. It runs through us. It's in us. It's around us. It's the intelligence within our bodies that if we get out of its way, it usually knows how to heal ourselves way better than we do. And it had a very feminine, sweet quality, the surrendering. So with this, I encourage you to find beautiful moments wrapped up in challenges, even when you're sick.